For a long time, I was under the impression that the watches are made in only two shapes: circle shape, rectangle shape, or square shape. And by God's grace, I have owned a few watches with those two primary shapes. But recently, I stumbled upon a watch with a completely different shape at first glance. I was very much impressed with this unique design of the watch. And without thinking too much, I pressed the trigger. The next thing I knew, I was eagerly waiting for my watch to be delivered at my house, and yes, it did get delivered on the expected time. The watch is all black and has a beautiful shine to it. The unique triangle shape makes it different from other watches, and at the same time, skeleton dial makes it more fascinating to look at. In this video, we will look at the different aspects of this watch, and we'll try to discover whether it is a everyday watch or just another junk from AliExpress. Welcome to my channel Wristwatch and Wallet. First, it is wrist check time. Today I'm wearing a custom build that I assembled myself. If possible, I'll try to post the video of it. Our today's watch is from manufacturer named T-Winner, and the model number is GMT1194. I'm still trying to figure out what exactly GMT stands for. Also, I have been wearing this watch for around 1 month, on and off. It will be hard to kill the temptation of switching watches every day when you have a wonderful collection. Anyway, let's first start with the watch dimensions. We have a 38.6 mm width of this case. Lug to lug width is 20 mm. Lug to lug height or length is 52.6 mm. The watch case height is around 14.4 mm from the center of the dome crystal. The crown is around 6 mm thick with a coinage pattern which provides a better grip within fingers. Currently, we are looking at the side profile of the watch. It is a thick watch, but I have seen more thicker watches than this. We have hollow female end links. The female end links have the advantage of being articulated at the end link, resulting in a smaller length dimension of the watch. Then we have a partially guarded push-pull crown. Crown has only two positions. The first is for the resting and the other is for changing the time. Also, the crown is unsigned. The bezel is fixed and has a circular dot pointing out of it. The only reason I can think behind that it is to give a more appealing look to the watch, and to some extent the makers have achieved it. By the way, according to the website, the case is made of stainless steel and coated with black. Then we have a dial also in triangle shape, and yes, it is a skeleton dial. The indices marked at 12, 4 and 8 position as Roman numeral in silver color are standing out. Wait, isn't the 12 should be shifted to a bit left? And 4 is placed off 5? What is going on? Well, this is the beauty of this watch. If you want to read the time correctly, then you must tilt the watch to a bit left. See? Now it makes sense. I will talk more about it later. The three hands on the dial are not very noticeable in one glance. Sometimes you need to focus hard on just to read the time. I think the designer could have done better in this area. Also, there is no luminosity applied anywhere on the dial. The crystal is hard legs. The silver lining around the crystal gives it an elegant look. But one thing is for sure, if anything or a scratch happened to this crystal, then replacing it would be a headache or a challenge due to its unique shape. We have an exhibit case bag with 4 screws. The watch is powered by an in-house movement, but I believe that it is a DG-based movement, which is one of the most commonly used watch movement in Chinese affordable watches. A little bit more about the movement. It is a 21,600 bph and 4 Hz movement. The bracelet is made of steel and coated black. To be honest, they could have done better in this section. The links are hollowed and are held by push pins. I don't have any problem with push pins, but I do have a problem with the junky coating they have done. To be honest, on the first day after wearing it, I changed the bracelet to a NATO strap. Here is the watch with black NATO strap. And here it is with another NATO strap of burgundy color. I know it doesn't match with the dial or with the case of the watch, but I still like to mix and match things. And here it is with a suede strap. Now it's time to discuss about the goods and bad thing about this watch. The only good thing about this watch is that it has a unique design. And after so much time, I have seen something very different. Negative points or bad points. They have done a full trashy coating on the bracelet. You cannot wear it. See, here you can see that they have missed the coating. The other bad thing is you cannot notice the hand in one glance. The design is not practical for everyday use. Usually, I read the time without tilting my wrist. For example, if I want to read the time, I will just look at my wrist. I will not look at the wrist like this. So according to me, it's not a practical design for everyday use. Now the final question is, will I suggest this watch? The answer is no. No doubt, it is a cool looking watch, but it is not for daily wear. The bracelet is quite cheap and it is cumbersome to read time from it. But if you are a new collector and want to spice up your collection, then you can go for it. That is all for today, and thank you for watching my review. Be sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. It will help the channel to grow and I would be able to bring more reviews for you. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.